Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like the video, please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Today we're going to be talking about Jamal Dunce, man. He's an artist from St. James. You know what I mean? So the cops went to his house to search for him. He wasn't there. They break down his door, break down his grill to get him. We also have a video that's going around that Jamal himself shows, a CCTV camera showing that the police officer is trying to enter into his premises without his permission. These are the things that I'm trying to talk about, viewers and subscribers. What if the police them did catch him, Jamal, in there? Leave it in the comment section, you know, won't think about that. I'll jump into the video. Yes, viewers and subscribers, leave it in the comment section. What do you think the police them would have do to him if them catch him there? Because those police never know that they were on camera. But I think that one of the police see that there was a camera. So he moved and let the others know. So that's why you see them keep flashing the light up there. You see me? Because yes, the camera record them. Even though the camera record them, Jamaica the police they do a thing, they don't care. Jamaican police are like any bad man, you know. I live in a garrison, you know. Because you know, see nowadays police in Jamaica wear masks like them a killer. When I serve them, they have to serve and protect. The same people who then they have to serve and protect in a Jamaica, we are give them we are pay them for them tax and everything, viewers and subscriber. Because the police are pay themselves, you know. And we the people where them out here kill off, you know. I pay them, you know. You get me? And Jamaican police, them need body camera upon them clothes. Me not joke. I mean I say it again. Jamaican police, especially the police them, we work upon the jump out unit. You get me? The jump out police them we wear the full blue and the mask them upon them face. They need body camera, so when time them do them illegal crime while wearing them police uniform, Jamaican people can see what the police them a do. And my advice to Jamal the artist, turn in yourself, brother. Clear up your name. You see me? Because if you not turn in yourself, you know, brother, you know how the police them stay down at St. James, you know. Freeport police them is not no play police. You get me? Me not fear them, but me I tell you say, them are not play police. Them very corrupt. You see me? I know about Freeport Station from 2007. Yeah, that far me I go back. I know about Freeport Police Station from 2007. I know that the police and our mobile and don't play. Especially if you're a boy, if you're a man, the Freeport police and don't like you none at all. Then we just see and start harass you. You see me? Ask you how you look, so. They might treat you like any gangster. I don't tell you, all if you're not a gangster. When some mobile police see you, especially the one them with the 16 on the van back, when them see you and you walk on the street and you look on them, then we all like to say, how you look on boy? Me know you. Ray, with that being said, they make the artists know to be careful, hold up your head, watch your circle, and it's a good move. You see me, Jamaican people see how the police them operate. You see me? It's a good move and hope everything alright with the artist life same way. Because you don't know if police start come at your life, you know, viewers and subscribers. You know, if I not kill them, I come kill you, them I come lock you up, you know. You get me? I'm not joke, especially with Jamaican police. And me nah say Jamal Dunce man is innocent because me nah know nothing about him. You see me? Must be a reason why the police them go him house and want him. And want him so bad for them have to tear off in door. Tear off in door and in grill for get into him. You call and nobody na answer. And you tear off in grill and in door for go in the film. Jaja. What if they catch him, viewers and subscribers? Who wouldn't hear about this? Who wouldn't see him? But as I go, leave it in the comment section if you don't think when I say a true. And leave it in the comment section if you don't think when I say a foolishness. Please like, share, subscribe if you have not. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, I'm out. God bless everyone.
Bullet, me love gun. Come me Dunce. Fuck with the killers and me make your head bong.